Today we talk about how can you select country or add your country on your C pop-up. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on profile down here, and you just click here on profile. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on location and currency here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next zip here, then you click here on country here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you search countries here, and here can you select country in this list on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.